So this is not working.
Estou falando com a internet.
Falando com a internet. Pode falar com a internet. Taking forever to build. The goal here is to finish up Terra's customization menu. I wanted to make it so whenever you're highlighting an Esper. Oh. Yeah. I think I know what is wrong. This is what's wrong. So whenever I'm highlighting Esper, I want the spells, the actions from the Esper to be highlighted. So the player knows which Esper provides which action. So okay, if it's the same, then we get in here. Get into the actions. The actions can be found in the acquired magic list. The color is set to white. And then I interrupt the entire process. And I draw the item. Pra internet.
This is a story about a girl named
Lucky.
Lucky. Early morning, she wakes up. Knock, knock, knock on the door. It's time for makeup. Perfect smile. It's you they are waiting for. Take a easy. She lovely. This Hollywood girl.
Vai lá cuidar da sua vidinha.
And they say she's so lucky. She's a star, but she cries in her lonely heart.
Vai cuidar da sua vidinha, vai.
Vamos começar com a internet.
Ai,
Ai, o quê?
eu, hein.
Peru. This is how you say penis in Portuguese. Peru.
Estou tentando me concentrar.
Piroca. This is also how you say penis in Portuguese. Rola.
Bebê, eu não consigo me concentrar de verdade, não consigo.
Você tá ao vivo?
Tô
Com quem?
com qualquer pessoa que aparecer.
Ninguém apareceu aí.
Não,
Ninguém apareceu.
deixa eu
Cadê
ver.
a pessoa? Manda a pessoa falar.
Ó,
Oi.
tem uma pessoa aqui, acho que daqui tem 4 pessoas.
Mas ela tá ouvindo o que eu tô falando?
Tá tudo no ar.
Ah, da onde?
Vou até botar no mudo.
Não!
Deixa eu
Já
me...
tá no mundo,
Mas eu
você
quero...
tá
Não
me
tava
enganando.
não. Eu quero me concentrar aqui no Ninzinho, bebê.
Oh, so many
Ai, meu
codes.
Deus.
I'm so
Agora eu vou botar no
smart.
mudo. And it worked. I did it. I think I did. Might be a glitch. Maybe I should set the color to yellow instead. Let's see if it looks better like this. Hmm. Hello. yellow highlight. Acquired spells, and here are the stats. Wait. See white. Otherwise, white. Otherwise, see yellow. Wait, no, this is not it. Acquired spells. Okay, here it is. It's yellow and white. And I'm gonna do the same thing here, using yellow as a highlight. But yeah, it's gonna be like this. So it's finished. Terrace as per menu is complete. Just the final test. Okay, yeah, I prefer like this. It's a better way to visualize it. Pera. Alright guys, I need to go for just a second. I'll be back. Alright, I'm back. So yeah, that finishes Terra's customization menu. And why do I have two Phoenix? Oh yeah, it's okay. Yeah, it's okay. Now I'm gonna have to create a animation called Placeholder Animation. that's gonna be used for all the spells I'll need to create, but I haven't created an animation for. I felt the white gray. I used the yellow white one because I felt the white gray combination made it look like you didn't have the spell available. Alright, so I'm gonna have to create some stuff here to make this game run. Some spells, let's see. Starting with the Espers. Fury already got, Leviathan, Phoenix, okay. Phantom Train, Vela 4, Diablo, Zero, Jimbo Brothers, Ixim. Got them all done. Okay, I'm gonna create Lucky Shmi. This is the boring part. Adding in the databases. So, Lucky Shmi. And yes, this file contains 24,000 lines. A grave mistake I've made. But now it's too late to go back. This is important so the actions are processed correctly by the engine. So I have to set the type if it's offense or defense, the name of the action when you select it, the MP cost. I'm just gonna, I don't know, put any random value here. I can figure this out later. Power I don't have to figure out right now. Success rate is almost always 100%. Focus time is how long it takes to use the spell. Here it's who can be targeted and what kind of targeting is. If just one character, if it can be targeted, multiple characters can be targeted. If everybody's always targeted, or if it's unfocused, it doesn't care who's being targeted. Most summons are unfocused. That means it doesn't matter if the target is on one side of the screen or the other. For multi and all, it matters in which group they are. So for instance, if Noctis uses his point warp to go to the other side of the screen, multi and all attacks will not hit him, but unfocused attacks will. So ranged is a ranged attack, cannot be reflected, does not revive, does not have split damage, does not ignore defense, it is unblockable, cannot be used in the field, can be mimeable, cannot be learned, does not have critical. What the fuck? Why is... okay. It is blocked. It cannot be cast if the character is silenced or frogged. The elemental, it's gonna be holy because that's Lucky Shmi. If it changes or inflicts any status effects, nope, nothing. What stance the character is supposed to use when they're casting it. This is for stuff when I have automated visuals. This is not the case. Formula, I'm gonna put magic, damage, regular magic. Limited summon use, yeah, this is important. There's a follow-up effect that makes sure that the action changes a stat in the character. For Cloud and Terra, they cannot use summons too many times in battle. They have a limit for how many summons they can use in battle. Okay, now the animation. I'm gonna put here animation placeholder. I haven't created it yet, but I'll be creating it soon. Description, recovers HP, and execution name. That's the name you see once the action is used. For Lucky Shmi, that was group hug. Very silly name. I have also created Kijata, so let's create Kijata right here. Oops, no. Let's copy Phoenix again. Kijata. Which other material have I created? I forgot. Let's see. That's right here. It's in this window. Create. Let me see. Index material inventory. Phoenix. Just these ones. Okay. I should remove this. The player is not supposed to have 2 copies of a materia. Okay, Kijata. Offense. Kijata. I'm just gonna guess a value here, 40, I don't care. Power, I have these values more or less figured out, but now is not the time to make something balanced. Or maybe I should be creating. I know. I'm not going to. Not going to. Just gonna put any random value. The goal is not to create a balanced battle. It's just to create a demo where you can use the menus. So I'm gonna organize this a little bit. Next time I'm just copying and pasting. This is gonna be easier. So this is Kijata, elemental, fire, ice, and lightning. And once again, status, region, status effects. Here, region, visuals, region, and here scripts, region, scripts. Oh, I've made a mistake up there with Lakishmi. That's the wrong script I'm using. So formula magic damage. For her, it's supposed to be healing. That's the name of the formula. General heal. It's the heal formula. Okay. Formula heal. Okay. Yeah, this database sucks. Working on it sucks, but I'm stuck with it. Next time, my next project, I'm definitely going to create a separated software where I can edit databases in a more rational way, so I don't have a 24,000 line file, which is what I've done, and it was foolish. Okay. And also avoid glitches. I always fuck something up when I'm updating the databases. It's a very common mistake I make. Okay, I forgot to put the animation. Animation placeholder. Okay. I think that's all of the ones I have created. Bahama Fury, Phoenix, Lakishmi, Kijat. Is that all? Let me check. Let me check once again. No, it was in that window. I keep forgetting. So yeah, Bahami Fury, Kijata, Lakishmi, and Cloud has Phoenix equipped. So that's all of it. Yes. Okay. Now Phantom Train is already complete. Valafor does not have a summon animation. I should put the placeholder also. Animation placeholder. I wonder if I have set the status correctly though for Valafor. I don't think I have. No, it is. Valafor is non-elemental. Okay, yeah, it is. Sonic Wings. Okay, Diablo's gonna have a special formula for it, cause it's gravity damage based on the percentage of the target's health. Animation placeholder again. Oh, someone's asking a question. I'm going to say the name of the magic in Spanish and English. Okay. Sure, Moises. Ooh. Okay. That interesting. So, let me put the question here. I don't know if you can understand what I'm speaking, Moises. Do you play the games in English or with language mods? Assuming you've played the classic, the SNES and PS1 games. Also, Moises, I'm going for the FF6 naming style. That means I'm not using the ARA, the AGA convention from later games, because later games use this. Oh, yo, Yojimbo is correct. Later games use this convention. Brothers. Yes, brothers properly made, so you're just gonna put placeholder again. Ixion, I think all of the GFs are properly created. Just gonna change here to placeholder. Okay. Now I should probably create some spells also. The spells I need to create are the spells the Espers provide Terra, and that I haven't created yet. Let's see which spells they are. So for Lakishmi, Regen and Silence, I have not created these two. Time to create them. No, for this it's actually better to use this other thing I have to edit things in GameMaker. GM Edit. But that's which is your favorite FF game? Right, this is an editor, a code editor that is actually superior to GameMaker's default code editor. The only problem is that saving things here sometimes causes problems in the original game, in the editor. I think there was a shortcut to close everything. Let me preferences. Totally forgot. It's been a long time since I didn't use this. Let me see if I can find shortcuts. Where are the shortcuts to this thing, man? Maybe dev tools? Probably not. No, it's not this. Resolutions, no. I'm gonna have to check on the internet. It's a guy called Yellow Afterlife. He makes some very good GameMaker extensions, including this one, Gem Edit. I recommend. And he's also created one that allows you to test GameMaker games while you're coding them, so you don't have to close the game and recompile and close the game and recompile. It's called GM Live. Fortunately, I don't have it. The dollar compared to my currency right now is extremely expensive. It's $6 to, I mean, $1 is equivalent to 6 of my money. And the GM Live costs $30, so that would be for me 30. That would be almost. Yeah, that would be almost 100 reais, which is my currency. I'm just checking the documentation here for GM Edit. I mean, where are the shortcuts, man? GM Edit shortcuts. Here, found it. Close all, close tab, close up this tab. Code in general, code navigation. Untitled folding, that's the one I want. Fold all, that's it. So, first one I'm gonna create is Regen. Now this is reckless of me, I should not be doing this here. Let me see. Save this. The project, reload here. Let's see if the summon attacks are here. Yeah, it is, okay. So I'm gonna close the resource on GameMaker. I'm gonna add it here. Just gonna copy Cure 2. No, actually, I should copy a more recent one that has been more properly formatted. I think Live 2 is formatted correct? Ah, whatever. Fuck it. Just gonna copy Cure 3. Copy. Why is soft here? So this. I think I put the wrong. Oh yeah. Yeah, let's use this one. Fuck it. Right. Let's create Regen. Okay. Action. Yeah, see, this is the one that's not properly formatted. Regen, magic, regen, cost gonna be whatever. I don't know, let's see the cost of Cure 2. 10, let's make it 12. Ally single ranged, reflectable, unblockable. Ah, my game. Oh, this is not part that cannot be used by it. Okay. Yeah, I should probably format this so it's easier for me in the future. Also, I should keep track of all the stuff I'm creating so I don't forget to add them later. Or maybe I should just start adding them right now. I should do that. Let's find here action. Bahamut. Fury. Okay. Action. Kishmi. Action. Kijata. Okay. Now I'm gonna add action regen. 3. Action regen. Boys and girls, this is the worst possible way to create a database. For the worst part of my coding. Here, regen. Regen, basic and special. Whoa, 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 whoa. Basic and special settings. Guys, by the way, I'm gonna have to take a 10-15 minute intermission in about 5 minutes. So yeah. Regen, elemental. Elemental holy. See, this is how I make mistakes. I forget to change that little part over there. Actually, again. Undefined. Oh no, stats. Stat regen. Of course. Regen status effects. And regen. Regen. Visuals. Sprite. I don't know, let's choose a sprite. This is not the correct sprite, but whatever. You know what? I shouldn't even do that. I should just put placeholder animation. It's the right thing to do. Sprite cured. Oh, whatever. Let's just put this. Fuck it. Sound cure 2. So the proper way to do this is by opening Final Fantasy VI, watching the animation. Let me show you guys how I do it. This is how I make sure everything looks exactly like Final Fantasy VI. Clear status, actually form the set status. Spell animation placeholder. So yeah, this is it. I got this special version of Final Fantasy VI where the characters are invisible, the enemy is invisible. This is so I can observe and extract animations. This, see, this helps me see if there's a special layer on the background. And then I do a lot of this, a lot of rewinding. This could be created with particle effects, or I could extract the exact animation sequence using a GIF, like turn it into a GIF. And sometimes I do this, I go frame by frame, so I can really get a notion of what it looks like. But right now, I'm not gonna do that. I'm not gonna create animations right now. Wait, so Moises, I don't get it. Is 9 your favorite or not? Confused. So okay, animation placeholder. I also like to make sure the descriptions are precise. Now, so actually I should take a break right now. Should go for the intermission right now. So guys, let me put an online timer here. Gonna set it to 15 minutes. So I'm gonna be out for about 50 minutes. I should be play safe. Let's set to 20. And I'll be right back.